Hello, welcome to NAVIFORCE Watch Unboxing Review Studio. Let's open the box and have a look at what I have bring you today. First of all, you can see there is an instruction manual book for this model. And then this is the NAVIFORCE guarantee card. And we will always provide you 1 year guarantee. And then it's the watch today. Okay, a very nice main watch. First of all, let's have a look at the screen, the details and data about this model NF8019L. It is a stopwatch. It's a multi-functional stopwatch. Okay, let's have a look at the details about the dial. Here is the NAVIFORCE logo, and in 9 o'clock position, this is small window. It's a minute window, and at 6 o'clock window, here is a second window, and this window at 3 o'clock is the 24-hour window. And here you can see a small red window. It's for the date, means today is 4. Okay, we can see the dial. The basic style we can see has a very nice wooden texture. Okay, this case we can see there are 2 layers for the case, and it is the color contrast design. The upper bezel is the blue color, and we also have phone number on the bezel to read the time. Here is 15:13:45 minutes, and here is the 6 in 1 hour. And here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 8. There are 8 small nails on the bezel to make the decoration. And then the upper layer is blue, and this lower layer case, the cover, it's rose gold color. And then here is the 2 button and a very nice crown. And when we got this watch, we will always need to press this crown to start the watch working. Now I press this button. Okay, then here the second hand is working. And these 2 upper and lower button is for setting these 2 windows, the stopwatch. And press this button to start the mini window. For the second window, when here goes 1 circle, and this window will move 1 step. Here is the second window, and here is the minute window. Okay, and have a foot wheel for this model. And this model uses the genuine leather. It's a very high quality leather, and also the leather will use the color contrast. The black color contrast the yellow color. The color is a little similar to this case, a little similar to the rose gold color. And the stitching also the yellow. And then it's the buckle. Okay, this buckle is also blue color, the same color as the bezel. And we can see there's small logo on it. The barcode is the stainless steel, solid stainless steel. Okay, this model we have 3 colors. I will show you later. Hello, welcome back. Just now I have shown you this rose gold combined the blue color watch. And then it's the next one. This one is the blue combined the silver case. 2 layers of the case. You can see the colors in the dial. Now this small window is the same color. These 2 small windows is the same color as the case. And then it's the leather strap. It's black combined the white color strap. And also the barcode. Oh, here this barcode we have a plastic protect to protect this barcode. The barcode is silver color. You can open it to check the color. Okay, it's very nice and good polish process for the barcode. Okay, and this is the back case. The back case, we can see the model number here, NF8019, and this is a 3 ATM waterproof watch. Okay, the next color is a black color watch, and the bezel and the strap are all black color. Only the case, the lower layer case is the silver. It's a very steady style watch. And these 2 blue one, I think maybe a little energetic or more suitable for young guys. And this black color, I think for more kinds of people can wear. And also the barcode is the silver color. Here the plastic is for protect the barcode. Okay, here is the back side. Okay, here it's all for this model. If you want to see more this kind of video, just subscribe to our account and see more interesting videos. And if you want to buy this one, just come to our AliExpress official store to buy it. Okay, this is all for today. See you next time. Bye.